This is gonna blow your mind. Singapore is using AI to revolutionize elderly care. By 2030, a quarter of Singapore's population will be 65 or older. That's a lot of wisdom, and a lot of care needed. Enter AI, the high-tech hero aiming to bridge the care gap. Imagine fall detection devices, patient sitter systems, and robots assisting with exercises in care homes. Teleconsultations and early disease detection are just the beginning. Even hospital bed availability is being monitored by AI. And it's not just in Singapore. In the US, Sensei.ai is already serving tens of thousands with audio-based monitoring. But let's not forget, AI must be designed with seniors in mind, avoiding digital ageism and respecting privacy. So could you trust a robot to care for your loved ones? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more.